Fuck, it's still here. I mean, 10 a.m. Okay, I have to pick up the PC. All the pieces as you saw by that little montage. What I'm going to do now is wait for my friend because he's gonna come film me and help me out whenever I need. And right now I'm going to open up the case because I want to set that up before he gets here. Let's watch me or nerd out. I'm going to have to solo build this, which means that I have to do this alone. So I got two DDR4 2400 MHz, 8GB HyperX RAM sticks. Yeah, just use that. Alright. All of this excess stuff, excess cable, I'm going to wrap up.
Do you want to zip tie that?
Yeah, I'm gonna just zip tie or...
It's probably best to zip tie them as well.
Yeah, or not. And then we just shove it in the corner, just like my room.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's install the GPU now.
Yeah, right.
Finally, after a very long... This is a used GPU, probably used for mining. But like, it was RTX 2070, which cost 800 or 390 1070. That I can overclock as well. And you know what?
Yeah.
I needed this as soon as possible. I chose this. Okay. Let's install this.
Put it sideways, put it sideways.
What do you mean, like the case?
The case, yeah.
I feel like I damaged all the cables just then. Okay, wait, actually, so your plan is you have to also upload to Insta Story because I'm now super fit now, I know what it. Okay, so you record this Instagram story real quick, like maybe one or two.
Alright.
So we've now completed, well, almost completed, we're not sure 100% if the PC build is set up, but we're gonna open up the monitor now and show you the TN goodness, so the 144 Hz. Where did I put the... Whoops. Maybe I should have gotten an Asus monitor. I became an Asus fanboy. So, how do I take this out? I feel like I'll just...
Slide it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
If this falls and breaks, I'll be very, very sad. Thank you, assistant.
No problem. Put on its side.
Oh yeah, I should upload my setup to text, what's it called, setup mode?
Ooh, okay.
Okay, we'll end it here. So,
Give us a kawaii pose.
huh?
Go. Kawaii.
This is the new setup. Did they get rid of the energy star rating? Because it's kind of...
Nah, it's cool. It's cool.
It's not.
It's part of the aesthetic.
It's not.
When you turn on your computer, it should detect it and switch. Well, it does with mine.
Oh, okay. No signal.
You didn't turn it on yet.
Really?
I don't think so.
Are you sure?
You broke your computer, JC.
No, I didn't. They turned it on. Did you switch it on?
Yeah. Do you want to check behind the GPU now?
Yeah, well... we'll give it a sec.
Alright.
It's very cool. Wait, is it actually not? Because the fan would be on, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know what I have fucked up. It can't be the CPU. Oh, we'll see. Okay, I guess we'll...
Do you want to take out the GPU?
Yeah, we have to take it out.
What happened, JC?
It works, because I fixed it. No, just kidding. We both probably pressed something and it worked again.
Yeah, alright.
Wait, M.2? What? Why is there no M.2?
We'll figure that out. No, don't you want to put your windows on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we should,
What? But isn't it plugged in? It's plugged in here as well.
What happened, JC? What happened?
I don't know. Oh.
Your M.2.
What?
What happened to your M.2 drive?
What the fuck? Oh, wait.
This is what I meant by it's gonna take a bit.
No, but wasn't I meant to go back to the BIOS and boot?
No, it does that.
But then, how am I gonna choose it?
You'll be able to see. Don't worry.
Oh.
Did you get one of those, JC?
Yeah.
You got one of those codes?
Yeah. Wait, but what about... What drive is it gonna install on?
Just keep going, okay? It's fine.
Please, $10. If this $10 key does not work. What?
Oh no, JC. Oh no.
So this is the cleaning up off. We're finally done with the car. Now just cleaning up all of this and then fixing up the computer. We're the Australian.
There's no Australian. Which arc are you up to now?
What do you mean?
The beginning?
I think so. This is the new beginning. This is where I'll be staying for the next 10, 100 years in front of the screen. Yeah. Okay, that's done. Or no. this is the current setup for my, I guess, work/school desk. I picked up this bad boy, which you guys have already seen. This video is like 2 days late because I spent majority of the time playing, downloading, and setting this guy up. I named it WI, which is why. It stands for with intention because I built it with intention. Plus it always reminds me when I say why. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just kinda odd for like nicknaming a material object. But yes, this is the new 27-inch monitor. I got my old keyboard and mouse set up, and it has like a phone stand as well, which is super helpful. I have my Surface Pro, which I'll probably just take, and I hope to replace it with maybe a Lenovo or MacBook by the end of the year or by mid-year. Yeah, this is the new setup, and it's producing videos a lot faster, so everything's good and I'm enjoying it a lot more. Everything renders faster. Games are all at max setting at 1080p, and the 144Hz is very smooth. And overall, I don't regret buying the PC, and hopefully I can use it to make more content. Yeah, that's it. I just wanted to say that PC is good, everything's good, yeah, bye.